Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can view the ad performance report on Tool4seller app. So for viewing that, you need to just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, we just need to go to the functions option. On the function section, we can just in the bottom, in the right side of the alert section, we can just see the functions right there. Just go to the functions here. So when we reach the functions here, we need to just scroll down. So if we scroll down, we can see in the PPC optimization section, we can just see the ad performance report right here. So if you, for that you need an API connection. If you have an API connection, we can just see the ad performance reports right here. So this is where we can view the ad performance report on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.